This question is from GATE 2025 Electronics and Communication branch, question number 56, and it has been asked from the subject control systems on the topic block diagram reduction and signal flow graph. It's a 2 marks question. Okay, the question number 56. So consider a system represented by the block diagram shown below. Which of the following signal flow graph represents this system? So choose the correct option. So given a block diagram figure, so I need to match this for this block diagram which signal flow graphs are correct. There are 4 signal flow graphs are the given, so I need to check which signal flow graph is match with this block diagram. Okay, so yeah, also you can see the NPTEL reference topic, that is block diagram reduction signal flow graph, by Professor Ramkrishna Prasumurthy, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Madras. Okay, so you can go through his YouTube lecture to get more insight of this block diagram and reduction techniques. Okay, coming to the solution of this question, so I can solve this question using Mason gain formula. So I will find the transfer function of this block diagram, and also I will find the transfer function of each signal flow graph. Okay, then I will match for this block diagram transfer function with the signal flow graph transfer function, and then I will find out the correct signal flow graph. Okay, so applying Mason gain formula, you can see there are 2 forward paths, one through G2, another through G1, and there is only one loop of negative feedback. Okay, so if I wants to find the transfer function, so it will be Ys divided by Rs, which is equal to, what are the forward paths? So G1 plus G2 divided by, what are the loops? So only one loop. So it will be 1 plus G1. Why 1 plus G1? Because it's a negative feedback. So it will be 1 plus G1. Correct? So same thing I will apply for all the signal flow graphs. So here you can see Y of S divided by R of S will be, I have 2 forward path, one through G2, another through G1. Correct? So it will be G1 plus G2 divided by one loop. Sorry, there are 2 loops. One is through G2, another through G1 of negative feedback. So it will be 1 plus G1 plus G2. Correct? Coming to option V, Ys divided by Rs will be, so there are 2 forward paths, one through G2, another through G1. Okay, so it will be G1 plus G2 and only one loop through this. So there are negative feedback, so it will be 1 plus G1. Okay, coming to option C, so Y of S divided by R of S, this is the transfer function. It will be, there are 2 forward paths through G2, another one is G1. So G1 plus G2 divided by, there is a positive feedback you can see. So 1 minus G1 minus G2. Correct? Coming to the last option, that is Y of S divided by R of S will be, so there are again 2 forward paths. So G1 plus G2 divided by, there are 2 loops. So one is through this, another is through this. Okay. So 1 plus G1 plus G2. Correct? 1 plus G1 plus G2. Okay. So if I match with the option, so my block diagram transfer function of this block diagram will be G1 plus G2 divided by 1 plus G1. So let me find. So it is matched with this. So G1 plus G2 divided by 1 plus G1. So option B is correct for this question. Okay. Other options are mismatched. See, you can check, all are mismatched. Okay. All are mismatched. Okay. So option V is correct for this question. Thank you.